Welcome to Go Lesson 11. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code. They help organize your program. You'll learn to create, call, and organize functions effectively. Let's start with basic function syntax. A function groups code together. You define it once, call it many times. The func keyword starts a function definition. This function takes no parameters, it just prints a greeting. Parameters let you pass data into functions. They go inside parentheses. We specify the parameter name, then its type. When multiple parameters have the same type, you can list names, then type once. Different types need to be declared separately. To call a function, use its name, followed by parentheses with arguments. Arguments are the actual values you pass to the function. Each function executes its code when called, producing the output you see. Now let's learn about return values. Functions can send data back to the caller using return. The return type comes after the parameters. This add function takes two integers and returns their sum. Go supports multiple return values. This is unique and powerful. List return types in parentheses, separated by commas. Divmod returns both quotient and remainder. Very useful. A common Go pattern: return a value and an error. If something goes wrong, return an error. Otherwise, return nil. Capture the return value with the assignment operator. For multiple returns, use multiple variables on the left side. Use underscore to ignore a return value you don't need. Always check errors before using the result. This is idiomatic Go. Notice how safe divide catches the divide by zero and returns an error. Let's explore named return values. You can name return values in the function signature. They act as variables inside the function. Here, area and perimeter are pre-declared. Just assign to them. A naked return without values returns the named variables. You can still use explicit return, even with named values. Some prefer this for clarity. Named returns serve as documentation. They tell readers what's returned. Here, min and max make the function's purpose clear. This function finds both minimum and maximum in one pass. Using these functions works exactly like regular returns. Named returns make code more readable and self-documenting. Now for an important skill: organizing functions in separate files. As projects grow, putting all code in one file becomes messy. Go lets you split code into multiple files within the same package. The key is using the same package name. Here it's package main. All files with package main can see each other's functions. Let's create utility functions that we'll use from main. These helper functions handle math, strings, and calculations. Now we'll create main.go that uses these functions. Notice we call add, subtract, multiply directly. No import needed. They're in the same package, so they're automatically available. We can use all the utility functions naturally. Let's see both files in the directory. To run, use Go run with all Go files, or star.go. Go compiles them together as one program. Let's recap what we learned about functions. Functions take parameters and can return values. Multiple returns are supported. Named returns document your code. Organize related functions in separate files. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we'll explore variadic functions. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.